behalf of all the ministers, our respective family, the church officers, and all the brethren, we extend our warmest greetings to our beloved Executive Minister, Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, and to our Christian Family Organizations Coordinator, Brother Angelo Iranio V. Manalo, and to all our brothers and sisters throughout the world